Feel the energy rising, can you hear the call? The frequency of freedom, it's breaking through the wall. Ascend through the darkness, let your spirit ignite. We'll shatter the illusion, unleash the inner light. Rising up, we'll ascend, from the 3D chains we'll break and transcend, to the realm where the vibrations soar. Finding consciousness, we're ready for more.
Welcome to Awaken Reality, a living, evolving platform built for one purpose: to help you remember who you are. I've been many things in my life. I've done many things and still have many things to do. But this work, this is my passion. This is the path I chose once I stopped living by the script that was installed in me. I don't live the way I was told I had to. And I don't expect you to either. This platform is not a polished, prepackaged product. It's a living organism, a creation built in the open, in real time, right in front of you. You will see it evolve as I evolve. You will see it grow as you grow. Because this isn't my site, it's ours. If you have ideas, share them. If you see something missing, tell me. If you have gifts you would like to bring into the space, message me. I'll find a way to help you share them right here on this platform. We rise together. We build together. We awaken together. Now, let's talk about why you're here. If you're ready to step out of the persona, the mask you've been unconsciously following, the identity that was shaped by programming, pressure, and survival, the version of you that was built to fit into a system that never had your best interests in mind, then you're in the right place. Because the persona is not you. It's a costume, a survival strategy, a script you inherited. And here's the truth. The persona will resist. It will scream. It will panic. It will think it's dying. But that voice isn't you. We don't kill the persona. We reassign it. It used to be in command of your vessel. We demote it. Still useful. Still needed. But no longer in command. The architect, your original self, the one behind the controls, the one you forgot, the one that never needed permission, takes back command. And that command sits in the void, the space between stimulus and response, the lag where your true power lives, the place where you choose your reality instead of reacting to it. This is where transformation begins. This is where you stop living the life you were handed and start living the life you were designed for. This is where you reclaim your agency, your awareness, your perception, and your signal. This is where you remember who you are. If you're ready to step into that, if you're ready to take back the command, if you're ready to awaken the architect, then welcome. You're in exactly the right place where you were meant to be. Let's get to it. Let's fuck around and find out what you're really made of.